Hey, my name is Julius. Nobody knows how to pronounce my last name, and I'm the guy behind this intermediate Google Tag Manager course. For the last several years, while I was working on Analytics Mania and I was trying to help many people to solve their web tracking problems, I started noticing some patterns that digital marketers and digital analysts face when they are dealing with Google Tag Manager and especially with Google Analytics. I'm talking about challenges such as enhanced e-commerce implementation, cross-domain tracking, iframe tracking, not being able to cooperate with a developer properly, not having enough technical knowledge just to solve some a bit more complex problems yourself. So if any of these situations sounds familiar to you, or if you feel that you're not using Google Tag Manager's potential, I believe that this course is exactly what you need. And this intermediate Google Tag Manager course will dive into many useful and awesome topics, including data layer, how does it work under the hood. We'll take a look at rarely used but very useful and very important variables within Google Tag Manager. And that's where I will give you introductions to HTML basics, to very basics of the document object model, also known as the DOM. Then we'll take a look at cookies and some other useful and technical stuff. Then going forward, we'll take a look at triggering, tag firing options, and how can you use CSS selectors in your tag management. Let's not forget about further Google Analytics implementations such as custom metrics, custom dimensions, user ID. We'll take a look at the most common headaches such as cross-domain tracking and the proper debugging of cross-domain tracking, iframe tracking. We'll take a short glimpse at custom task. And in fact, speaking of testing and proper debugging, I have created a separate module dedicated just for this topic because it's crucial to have your Google Tag Manager implementation working properly. I will show you built-in browser tools. I will show you browser extensions that you should use together with Google Tag Manager. And last but not least is enhanced e-commerce. How to properly implement this tricky feature of Google Analytics together with Google Tag Manager. This will not be just a regular 20-minute video, which is basically like an overview of the feature. I will give you an entire module explaining the entire process from planning, then to configuration, to cooperating with a developer, and then properly testing the implementation. To make your experience even better, you will also get access to my Sandbox website, where you will be able to practice and apply your new Google Tag Manager knowledge. There will also be quizzes after each module to check your new knowledge. And there are many other awesome things that you will find definitely useful and that will enrich your course experience. So if this sounds interesting to you and you want to become a Google Tag Manager professional, scroll down and roll, and I'll see you in the course.